Start to rotate again towards the right side, but go all the way up to your right elbow. Push yourself through the load up. Keep looking at the load. Slowly start to turn your body towards the right arm and lay down side and supine. Start turning to the right side. Push the load up and go all the way up to your right palm. Keep looking at the load and push yourself off your right hand to straight sit. Bring the load to your chest and hold it in both hands. Keep your chest and pelvis connected, your spine uprighted, and rotate to both sides 3 times. Keep the load on the chest and try to extend one knee. If you can maintain the neutral position of chest and pelvis, you can try to lift both legs above the surface. Put the legs back and try to bring the load up to an arm flexion.